5:18 the current time. We're tracking Fred as it continues to push further off to the north. Has weakened now down to a tropical depression. Winds about 35 miles per hour, but is wreaking havoc in our area already with even tornado watches and warnings. Right now we have a warning over toward the Macon area. You can see this outer band as it continues to push through. Was intense moving up here to the north, now starting to weaken a little bit there, but over here to the east, that's where we're starting to see the intensification of that. We'll start to start to push a little bit further over toward the east and north as well. So we'll be watching Jasper and Putnam counties to see if any tornadoes happen to spin up in your area. These are brief spin ups that we're talking about here. So they just spin up rapidly and could cause some damage. So we have to be on the lookout for those. The other story, of course, is the rain. Look at this heavy rain we have over toward McDonough, down to Butts County as well. Over here toward the west near Carrollton, we have some moderate rain, a few heavy pockets here and there. And then north of the city of Atlanta, north of I-20 is where the rain has been light for the most part. Here we have the tornado watch that's in effect. See that red box right there? That's where we have a tornado watch that's in effect until 1 o'clock this afternoon, meaning that we could see these brief tornadoes spin up in this particular area. I'll say in and around this area right on through the afternoon. They're typically brief spin ups, but I don't want to make little of them. Okay, because they can cause some damage, can bring down trees, could create some power outages as well. And then the flooding would be another issue as well. Notice the Storm Prediction Center has placed a slight risk for severe weather. That's a level 2 threat, mainly for our eastern counties here. That dark green means a level 1 there. That's a marginal risk. That includes the metro area there. And so we'll be on the lookout for any potential severe weather in the forecast area. Flooding is the other issue. Meteorologist Melissa Noor standing by to tell us more about that.
Yeah, and Chesley, this rain is coming down. You think of a tropical storm and tropical rain rates. So rain is coming down heavy. The totals could be 2 to 5 inches in some spots. And the bulk of this for a lot of us is going to fall all within kind of a 6-hour window this morning through middle of the day. And so there's the potential for ponding, standing water on the roadways, big issues with some flash flooding as well. And as we look at the flash flood watch, this is going to run all the way through the overnight period tonight because creeks and streams could still be running high after this rain is winding down. But the entire area, we have the flash flood watch. Also, gusts are going to be picking up. There could be some gusts 30 to as much as 40 miles per hour in this wind advisory. And you put that on top of all this rain coming down, some of the trees by the root system could come down. So Chesley, outside that tornado threat, the potential for isolated down trees from these gusty winds and really saturated grounds. Thanks a lot, Melissa. Yeah, folks, you want to be weather ready today. This is a weather day for us. So be on the lookout for the potential for weather to turn a little bit worse on us as we head through the rest of the day. So there's the wind advisory that we were just talking about. We got a couple other storms out there we want to mention to you as well. This is Henri, tropical storm Henri, that will continue to kind of meander around Bermuda, and then Grace has strengthened back to a tropical storm. It is forecast to move into the Gulf and eventually over toward Mexico. So it looks like neither will pose a threat to us right now, but we're getting closer to the peak of the hurricane season, so we're expecting more of this to pop up. That rain with us right on through mid-morning as we head into the afternoon as well. Still got the heavy rain out there in the metro area. Starts to pull to the north as we head toward the evening by 4 o'clock, our northernmost counties, and then it gets out of the way as we head into the evening. In fact, I expect some clearing to take place where we'll get the sunshine back in here as we head into Wednesday. 88 for the high temperature. We'll have a 40% chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms during the afternoon. We'll hold on to that small threat as we head through the rest of the week and into the weekend. Time now for your Weather Wow moment of the day. This one coming to us